अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 51, topic number 83. समीकरणं तु परिपाककरणम् रसरुधिर शुक्रपुरीषादीन् रुधिर शुक्रपुरीषाद् करणमिति यावत् Author Sadananda Yogindra explaining about the subtle body, Sukshma Shariram or Sukshma Prapancha, how this subtle universe has come into existence. Having presented that Karanam, the cause of this universe, Ajnana Sahita Maya, or Brahman Sahita Maya, that is Karanam. From that, the subtle universe has come into existence. How it has come? From each guna, he is explaining one layer of subtle universe is coming. First he presents Sattva guna. From Sattva guna what comes? From Rajo guna what is the next one? Then Tamo guna. Like that he is going to present. We are seeing that Sattva guna we have completed. From Sattva guna of that Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Prithvi, what comes? Jnana Indriyani. Pancha Jnani Indriyani born. All Panchabhutas, Sattva guna put together, Manas is born. The mind is born out of Sattva guna of all 5 elements. The next what he said, from the Rajo guna of all those 5 elements, separately, Karma Indriyani born. Karma Indriyani means what? Sense organs of action. Vak, Pani, Pada, Payu, Upastha. Hands, legs, all this speech, everything has come from that Rajoguna of 5 elements. Prithak, separately. Then Samashti, that means all Panchagunas, Rajoguna put together, Prana has come into existence. So Prana has to be there behind all sense organs of action. Manas has to be there behind all sense organs of knowledge. Therefore, Samashti Sattva Guna is Manas. Samashti Rajoguna Prana. Nalla irukka? Manasukku that works out at Jnanendriya level. And Prana helps to Karmendriyas. What are those 5 pranas? Visa, Apana, Prana, Mukhya Prana, Samana Prana, Vyana Prana, Udana Prana, and their functions also. So, Prana Nama Praggamanavan, in 878 topic, he explains, Prano Nama Praggamanavan, Nasa Agrasthana Vartil. Nasagrasthanavarti. Nasa nose. Agrasthana. The respiratory system beginning here only. So here what is there in that situated in that place, that is called prana. Exhalation and artham. What you exhale, it is called prana. We don't remember this when we are fighting with others, when we are talking to others. We don't remember we are exhaling, inhaling. Exhalation. Then apana prana means in 79 he says, apano nama avaggamanavan, that which goes inside, inhalation. That is called apana prana. That which goes inside. The air is going inside, going. So that is apana. Udano nama kanthasthaniyaha, that which is in kanthasthanam, udana prana, which goes upwards. So all this udana prana activate na, every time expulsory, like coming out the this udana prana, vomiting, sweating, hiccups, all coming out only. And at the time of death, overaction, overactivity. That's the udana prana. Then samana prana, that which is samona nama sharira madhya gata ashita pita. Whatever you take food, whatever you drink, that food is distributed by the samana prana equally. Digestion part and distribution part. So samana prana does that. Where is Vyana prana? Middle la irukku. Adu vittita. 80th. Vyano nama Vishwagamanavan. That which pervades the whole body. Circulatory system. English lo chalanumanne apana prana, this mukhya prana is called respiratory system. It is taking care of respiratory system. Then udana prana, expulsory system. And samana prana is digestive system, taking care of digestive system. Vyana prana taking care of circulatory system. So apana prana you can take it as excretory system also. So 5 systems are working. Even one system strike, no, and the lorry strike, madre, all foodstuffs are waste. Similarly, if one prana strike, it will not strike, it will, suppose it decides to strike, all problems will come. Not only that, in Sankhya philosophy, there are some subsidiary pranas, subdivisions also they talk about. So this samana prana converts the food into blood, shukram and shonitam, the seed, it converts the male body and female body, and rudhiram, blood, it converts, and muscle, so many things converts by that samana prana. What are the subsidiary pranas? Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we will enter into 84. Kechittu naga kurma krikalam devadatta dhananjayakhyaham panchani ye vayavaham santi iti vadanti. Kechittu. Some people, Sankhya system of philosophy, some people, Sankhyas means it is one system of philosophy, Sankhyas. They talk about Panchani ye Vayavaha Santi. There are 5 more subsidiary pranas They are called, number 1, Naga. Number 2, Kurma. Number 3, Krikala. 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 In some books they write Krikara, they write Krikara, they write. Here Krikala they have given. Ralayo Rabhedaha, maybe. Krikara, Krikala. Ralayo Rabhedaha, Irkalam. Devadatta, number 4. Dhananjaya, number 5. Akhyahana, names. They are called as Vayavaha, means air principle, vital force. What they do, now he is explaining one by one. 85. Tatra naga udgirana karaha Kurma ulmilana karaha Krikalaha Shutkaraha Devadattaha Jrumbhanakaraha Dhananjayaha Poshanakaraha. But this is unique for Vedanta Sara, but in other books and all they don't explain this. Tatra, with regard to these pranas, subsidiary pranas, tatra means with regard to. With regard to these subsidiary pranas, Naga, the first subsidiary prana, Vayu, Naga, what it does? Udgirana karaha. Udgirana karaha means that which controls that by belching, any food goes inside, that pressure, abdominal pressure, if there is any pressure, heaviness you say in abdomen, so that heaviness, pressure in the abdomen is controlled by this naga, by what? Udgirana, by belching. Belching. Epam, belching. Who does that? Naga prana does that. Belchings. Or if it is too much pressure, just in the vomiting, Udgirana karahana. So mostly belchings will come. Some people belch, you can listen from some people, loudly they do. It is not in their control, no? They cannot avoid volume. Can we reduce our belching volume? No. No. Even he want to reduce the volume, impossible. Sometimes they feel very bad. Some people very loudly it comes. No? That means too much pressure. Normally people koncham varum. Seddam illamal. Namakku theriyum. Some people too much it comes. Some people disturbs others also. So who does it? This Naga Vayu does that job. Then Kurma, second one, Unmilana Karaha. Closing and opening of eyelids are controlled by this Kurma Prana. Not opening and closing. Sometimes the lighting, too much light, that Kurma Prana tells to the eye, hey, reduce, now too much light, you will get affected that. So it adjusts the system. If anything fall in your eyes also, that Kurma Prana take care of. One lady is on other class that day, she is having a problem. Her own eyelashes fall in her eyes often. And she should not touch her eye, some operation over, she should not touch her eye. she cannot see the book. ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுவா. அந்த மருந்து போட்டாதான் அது வெளியில வருமா, அந்த வீட்டுக்கு போய் தான் போடணும். எவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்படுறா பாருங்க. கண்ணுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம் வந்தால் கூட தாங்கவே முடியாது. ஸோ கூர்ம பிராண உல்மீலன கரஹா. உன்மீலனம்னா க்ளோசிங் ஐலிட்ஸ், க்ளோசிங் அண்ட் ஓப்பனிங். கிருக்கலஹா க்ஷுத்கரஹா. தி கிருக்கலா subsidiary prana controls or prevents that foreign bodies passing through the nasal passage or throat. Any foreign body goes to your nose, something. Immediately what this Krikala prana says, sneeze and out. Send it out. Krikala prana warns, giving warning. Something now gone into your nose, please sneeze. That's why நம்ம என்ன அபசகுனம்னு நினைப்போம். அவனுக்கு ஏதோ மூக்குல போய் அவனை ஸ்னீஸ் பண்ணினா நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், அப்பா அவனை ஸ்னீஸ் பண்ணிட்டாமா போகாது வெளியில அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவான். இது என்ன கனெக்ஷனு? அவன் ஸ்னீஸ் பண்ண அவன் எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? உனக்காக பிளான் பண்ணி ஸ்னீஸ் பண்ணிட்டானா அவனு? அப்படி கிடையாது. அவனுக்கு ஏதோ முக்குலக்கு போச்சு பாவம், ஸ்னீசிங் வந்தது என்ன. So any foreign body goes into the throat also, you see. Throat போனாலும் கூட it comes out. Cough, in the form of cough or in the form of sneezing. Who does this job? That krikalaha. Shutkaraha. Cough and sneezing. Krikalaha. Then Devadattaha. Fourth one. Jrumbana karaha. Kottayam. Yarning. What it does, when person is so tired, he requires more oxygen. And this prana does, this Devadatta prana takes more air. To take more air, anning comes. Kottayam varum. Appo you take more oxygen. இது ஒரு பெரிய கம்ப்ளைண்ட். பீப்புள் வில் கம், எனக்கு ரொம்ப கொட்டாயம் வருது சுவாமினி, ரொம்ப ஆனிங் வருது, என்ன வரட்டுமே, என்ன நல்லது தானே. when you are so tired, in front of others also it comes. You can't control all these. You cannot control. Ama, you cannot control all these things. Switches are not in your hands. So that is the extra oxygen it provides. Extra oxygen it provides because you don't breathe properly. You are not giving rest to your body. Muchu vaanginadane correcta. So it takes its own system, function. Then Dhananjayaha, this prana controls that body. Controls means here, once the body bloats, it becomes corpse, it bloats out. Two meanings are there. It is a nourisher. Dhananjaya prana is the nourisher of the body. That which nourishes. Helps the body to nourish. Whatever you take the food, that is nourished by Dhananjaya prana. And another function also done by Dhananjaya prana. One's body then dies. And this Dhananjaya prana makes the body to bloat. Even corpse body also it nourishes. And the corpse body, it increases weight. Dead body. Corpse is a dead body. How dead body increases weight? Onnu saapidave illa. Nothing he has taken. Water is not there. Food he has not taken. How body can increase its weight? So this the Dhananjaya prana makes the body to bloat. All impurities will stagnate inside. That is called Dhananjaya prana. These are all 5. Okay? Over. Poshanakaraha means nourisher. Next, 86th topic. Etesham pranadishu Antarbhavat pranadayah pancha eva iti kechit etesham. All these 5 subsidiary pranas, pranadishu antarbhavaha, they are included in all other 5 pranas. Apana prana, samana, vyana, udana, they are included. Pranadishu, in them, antarbhavat, because they are included in them, main pranas. Pranadayaha, these pranas are only pancha eva. There are only 5. Don't say 10. According to Vedanta philosophy, they don't accept them separately, subsidiary. They say they are only 5 only. Don't count all these small things. So they don't take it. What Sankhya people, they write. Kechitana, some people say, are Vedantins says, like that. We have no quarrel with this. There is no tatparyam in that. Ella jadandane. We are not fighting whether they are 10 or 5. Vechugo innur 5 kuda vechugo paravalle. We are not interested in these discussions. We enjoy all these things. That's all. Next one, 87 topic. Etat pranadi panchakam akashadigatah rajomshebhyah militebhyah utpadyate. How these 5 pranas born? Etat pranadi panchakam. All these 5 pranas, akashadigata rajomshebhyaha militebhyaha. That rajoguna which is in that akasha, vayu, agni, apaha, prithvi. Akasha means space. Vayu means air. Agni means fire. Apaha means waters. Prithvi means earth. From all these 5 elements, separately, distinctly from Rajoguna of these 5 elements, this prana, not separately but put together, militebhyaha. So, Akashanandi, it takes Rajoguna. From all Rajogunas put together, prana is born. If separately they are born, what are they? Karmendriyani, sense organs of action. But when they join together Rajoguna, prana are born. So all 5 put together only prana you can call. Militebhyaha means put together, join together. Utpadyate means born. Prana is born. Next, 88. Idam pranadi panchakam karmendriyaihi sahitam sat pranamaya koshaha bhavati asya kriyatmakatvena rajomshakaryatvam. How beautiful, no? Systematically they are going. You are studying about your body, subtle body, gross body, everybody writes. We are studying this physiology now. If you study about gross body, it is anatomy. If you study about the prana, the subtle body, it is called physiology. If you study about the mind, it is called psychology. If you study about manomaya kosha, it is psychology. If you study about pranamaya kosha, it is called physiology. If you study about physical body, this is called anatomy. So therefore, all these, now he is telling, what is this pranamaya kosha panchakam? Karmendriyaihi sahitam, along with 5 sense organs of action. Therefore, when you want to do a action to climb staircase, அங்கே மேலே வந்த உடனே மூச்சு வாங்கணும். என்ன கனெக்ஷனா? பாதத்துக்கு பிராணத்துக்கு கனெக்ஷன் இருக்கு பாருங்க. After doing some work, you feel so difficult to breathe sometimes, and to talk also you require a lot of energy. That's what he says. Karmendriyaihi sahitam sat pranamaya koshaha bhavati. It is called pranamaya kosha. This and all I don't explain in yoga class. You understand? Yesterday also I explained about that pranamaya kosha, but I didn't mention this point. Why? Not necessary. Even I have never explained this point even previous classes, because you are advanced students. நான் advanced student சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கேன். நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறாங்களோ என்னவோ தெரியல. Prana, karma, indriyas put together pranamaya kosha. Jnana indriyani manas put together manomaya kosha. That's what he says. Pranamaya kosha bhavati. What it does? Asya kriyatmakatvena rajomsha karyatvam. This pranamaya kosha, which is associated with karma indriyas put together, what it does in kriyatmakam, it always does action. It always does actions, doing something or other. This action is because of rajomsha sambhavam, rajomsha karyatvam, because this is the product of rajoguna. Karyatvam means product, born out of prana and 5 sense organs of action, born out of what? Rajomsha, rajas amsha. From that portion it has born. Karyatvam means a product. Kriyatmakatvena means with full and full action. Hands always doing action. அதனால வாய் சும்மா இருக்கவே இருக்காது. ஈட்டிங்கோ டாக்கிங்கோ ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணாதான் காலு கூட சும்மா இருக்காது பாருங்க, கை சும்மா இருக்காது, ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. என்னன்னா ரஜம்சா, இட்ஸ் நேச்சர். அது cannot ask. கை கட்டினா கூட இது கூட காரியம் வேலைதான். டைங் த ஹேண்ட்ஸ் இஸ் an action இல்லையா? சும்மா ஒன்றும் பண்ணாதே என்ன அர்த்தம்? கை கட்டுன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? இது வேலைதான். Their nature is that. Next, eteshu kosheshu madhye vijnanamayah jnana shaktiman kartrurupah manomaya ichha shaktiman karnarupah pranamaya kriya shaktiman karyarupah yogyatvat evam etesham vibhagah iti varnayanti etat koshatrayam militam सूक्ष्म शरीरमित्युच्यते. அப்பா எவ்வளவு பெரிய சென்டென்ஸ். இதுதான் சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரமா, சட்டில் பாடி. What is that? Eteshu kosheshu madhye, among these koshas, Vijnanamaya kosha, Sukhitva, Dukhitva, Abhimani சொன்னா விஜ்ஞானமய கோஷம். 2 கிளாஸுக்கு முன்னாடி ஞாபகம் இருக்கோ? விஜ்ஞானமய கோஷா, who is that? Dukhi, aham sukhi, aham karta, abhimani, deha abhimani, kartra abhimani, that Vijnanamaya kosha. And kosheshu madhya ante manomaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, these 3 put together. Vijnanamaya jnana shaktiman. Vijnanamaya also is backed by jnana indriyani only. Manomaya and Vijnanamaya, in both jnana indriyas are functioning. Vijnanamaya also. Buddhi backed by sense organs of action. Manas, sense organs of knowledge. Manas is backed by sense organs of knowledge. So now there is subtle difference, he says. Jnana Shaktiman Vijnanamaya Koshaha. The knower part, knowing part. Jnana Shakti, the power of knowing. Jnana Shakti. Janati, I know this, I know this, I know this. Then morning onwards, what you say? Even some people when they are talking, I know, I know. We use very generally nowadays, people are using often. Before they are talking, cholla vidamata. I know, ane nee chollade nardha. You don't talk, I know. This I know, and that knowing part, that is belong to that Vijnanamaya kosha. That Jnana Shakti man. Man anna namma Tamil man kadiyadu. Man anna udayavan, endowed with, possessed, endowed with. Jnana Shakti man kartru rupaha. Karta. Kartru rupaha means I am the knower. Anu oru bhavana. Karta Vijnanamaya kosha, the doer, or Kartratma. Kartaha, I am Karta. Atma means what? I am the Karta, and you are feeling, Abhimana. So much. I am only cooking. I am only earning money. I am only doing this. Abhimana. This Abhimana. Karta Vijnanamaya kosha. Then Manomayaha Ichha Shaktiman. இதெல்லாம் நிதித்தியாசனம் பண்றதுக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். இச்சா சக்தி என்ன? டிசைர். இச்சா சக்திமான். Ichhati, always desire something. Ichha means desire. Shakti means power. The power of desire. Man means associated with, possessed, endowed with power of desire. Where na? Adella manasula da. Papam buddhiki vijnanathukku kadave kadiyadu. Desire is not in Vijnanamaya kosha. Desire is in Manomaya kosha. Both of them are using sense organs of knowledge. But there it is Jnana Shakti. Here, Ichha Shakti. Our life, every second is governed by this Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti. Beautiful. I like this topic very much. Karana Rupaha, instrument. Karana means instrument. The instrument. Karanatma. Ichha Shaktiman Karana Rupaha. Yenna kamasya cheshtitam karma. Whatever you do, yadyadhi karma kurute tat kamasya cheshtitam. Whatever action you do, Backed by what? Desire. Without desire, come to the class, you will not climb. You will not come to the class. First desire, then you use the legs, come to the class. Karana rupaha. Ichha and then action. Instrument use. Karana rupaha. So Manomaya Kosha over. Vijnanamaya Kosha over. Jnana Shakti, Ichha Shakti over. Next what Shakti? Kriya Shakti. Lalita Sahasranamala varum idella. All are nothing but Vedanta only. நமக்கு பாராயணம் தான் தெரியுது என்ன இச்சாசக்தி கிரியாசக்தின்னு இந்த டீட்டெயில் லலிதா சஹஸ்ரநாமம்ல இவங்க கிடைக்காது. Only in Bhashyam, if you read, these are all explained there. Now Kriya Shakti varanam. Pranamayaha Kriya Shaktiman. Kriya Shaktiman Karya Rupaha. You have to put into action. I know, I desire, and I want to buy. Ada Karya Rupaha means Karyatma. Pranamaya Koshaha, the producer. Karya Rupaha means what? That desire put into action, implement it. Janati Ichha Shakti. Kriya Ichha Shakti. Jnana Shakti. Janati Jnana Shakti. He knows first. So and so, shop lo, sales, discount. Janati. Then Ichhati. That person, one person saw a nice saree in the shop. That is the Bomma. Nice Bomma is wearing. In nowadays shops, the Bommas are looking so nice and real as though they look. You go to that Usman Road, all those, you can't turn your face. Pretty attract pannu. Somebody also standing there. And he saw that lady is Bomma wearing saree. And he imagined his wife in that Bomma. If my wife wears this saree, how she looks? She looks so beautiful. Then immediately he went inside the shop. Whole pocket khali and he took that saree. In the Bomma katna saree idu kudunga. Adhe model piece vera irukku ulla. So he gave that saree. And he is imagining his wife in that saree. Like that Bomma. Janati Ichhati Yatate. Ulla poita. Vaangita bill pay panni. He has brought to home. And he gave to his wife. See how nice. His Bomma is so looks nice. You wear, you also look like that. And she wore that saree and came in front of him. Big disappointment. She is not looking like that. He thought like that she looks like that. But ulta. Not ulta, but the expectation what he has got it. Eppadi varum? Too much expectation. Upper disappointment. Okay. Janati Ichhati Yatate. That is Karya Rupaha. Product. Vandachi. Karya Rupaha. Who does it? Pranamaya Kosha, Kriya Shakti. So 3 Shaktis over. Janati Ichhati Yatate. Knows first and desire next and implement into action. Knowing, desiring and doing. This is what we are doing every time. Knowing, desiring, doing. Yogyatvad eva etesham vibhagaha. Why this distinction? Vibhaga means the separation, division. Vijnanamaya Kosha, Jnana Shakti, Manomaya Kosha, Ichha Shakti, Pranamaya Kosha, Kriya Shakti, Kartatma, Karanatma, Karyatma. Why this much division? Because of their actions. Yogyatvat eva, yogyata. Vijnanamaya Kosha, Jnana Shakti, Manomaya Kosha is not having. And the Vijnanam, Maya Kosha alone has got what capacity? Jnana Shakti. That is Yogyata. அந்த யோகியதை விஞ்ஞானமய கோஷத்துக்கு தான் இருக்கு. பிராணமய கோஷத்துக்கு அந்த யோகியதை கிடையாது. மனோமய கோஷா, இச்சா சக்தி, விஞ்ஞானமய கோஷா do not have that the ஞான சக்தி. So that yogyata only manomaya kosha has got what? Desiring. Similarly, pranamaya kosha is not having desiring capacity or knowing capacity. It has got another yogyata caliber. What is it? Kriya Shakti. So they have their own power. Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. Put together what? Devi, you know. What a beautiful present. என்ன இருக்கிறது சொல்றாரு. So Devi Amsha. Now it is in male also there or not? Devi என்ன இப்படி இச்சா சக்தி, கிரியா சக்தி, female only if you take. Only ladies are having these three. Gents are not having an item. இல்லையோ? அப்படி they don't have ஞான சக்தி, கிரியா சக்தி, இச்சா சக்தி. Therefore, Stri Purusha Amsha or Purusha Prakriti Amsha, that Maya Amsha, Rajoguna Amsha, Sattva Amsha, all are there in Purusha also. Purusha not male anardham. In every human being. These three Shaktis are there in every human being. Therefore, this male-female disparity and all we have made. These are all. But jnana-wise, desiring-wise, doing-wise, all are the same. That's why there are lady pilots, lady police, commissioners. What they are doing? Not all they are doing. What not? Okay. Etesham yogyatvad-eva etesham vibhagaha iti varnayanti. They explain, they enumerate, varnayanti. They discuss. Now another corollary we have to see. Etat koshatrayam militam sukshma shariram iti uchyate. All these three koshas put together, what? Sukshma shariram. Priyarda sthula shariram anna this annamaya kosham, vijnanamaya kosha, manomaya kosha, pranamaya kosha put together sukshma shariram, and anandamaya kosha is called karana shariram. Pancha koshatai we have reduced into three bodies. Priyardo? Simple. You are all yoga students. That already I have explained so that you can understand. So koshatrayam chonna, pancha kosham chonnanu, sariratrayam chonnanu, unnuda. That's why these pancha koshaslo and the three koshas put together, militam, Tat Sukshma Sriram iti uchyate. It is called as Sukshma Sariram, subtle body. What is the corollary we have to know? Without knowing, no one desire. So without knowing, no one desire to get it. So that desire is preceded by Jnana Shakti. Desire is preceded by knowing. Desiring or desire is preceded by the Jnana Shakti. And that desire is followed by what? Action. Jnana Shakti followed by Ichha Shakti, and Ichha Shakti is followed by Kriya Shakti. Kriya Shakti is preceded by Ichha Shakti. Preceded by, followed by means what? Backed by. Without desire, you will never put an effort. If I don't want, see, there in newspaper, there is a column, separate paper. What is that? Properties, opportunities, business. Suppose, who is not interested in and the house kella oru column poduva. Sannyasi poi and the wedding column ella padikka mudum. Devaya இட்ஸ் நாட் நெசசரி. ஏன்னா சன்னியாசி ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த வெட்டிங் காலம் எப்படி இருந்தா நமக்கு என்ன? Similarly, once you have your own house, you have settled, you don't bother about that retail, that is what? Real estate. அதை பற்றி நாங்கள் பார்க்கவே மாட்டோம். டிசைர் இருந்தால் தான் எத்தத்தை. You want to know about it. When we are not interested, we don't want to know, we don't have desire, and we don't put an effort. So, three are interconnected. நமக்கு எது தேவையோ then that we want to know, and that we get a desire, upon that we'll put an effort. Why people are not putting effort to study Vedanta? They don't have desire. Why they don't have desire? And they don't know the importance of this Vedanta. Knowing is not there, therefore desire is not there. Since desire is not there, yatnam also is not there. If they know the importance, desire comes, then they want to come to class. வரணுமன் இருந்தாலும் சுவாமினி ஒரு 6 மாதம் அங்கே கூப்பிடுறானே போய் வேண்டியது ஆகிச்சேன்னு. இது ஒரு புது கேஸ், பொதுவாக வர்றது இப்போ இல்லை நம்ம நாட்டில். 6 மாதம் இங்கே 6 மாதம் இங்கே. உனக்கு விருப்பம் இருக்கோ இல்லையோ போய் தான் ஆகணும். போய் தான் ஆகணும். இப்போ போகலாமா, இந்தியாவுக்கு போனோம், சுவாமினி பார்க்கணும், கிளாஸுக்கு போனோம், இருக்கும். என்ன பண்ணுறது? ஹெல்ப்லெஸ். யூ கேனாட் டூ எனி திங். லைக் கிருக்கரா அந்த நாகா பிராணம் மாதிரி அது நடக்கும், அவ்வளோதான். ஒரு 1/2 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருப்பா ஆல் த கிளாஸஸில். ஒரு 6 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மினிமம், 6 to 10 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அப்ராட். இவர் போய் அவர் ஒருத்தக்குள்ள இந்த பேட்ச் போகும், அந்த பேட்ச். இது என்னுடைய அனுபவம், பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கேன். எவ்ரி கிளாஸில் ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட். 2 days பேக் ஒன்று 1 ஸ்டூடெண்ட் செட் சுவாமி ஒரு 6 மாதம் போயிட்டு வர. நாளைக்கு இன்னொரு கிளாஸ் போகிறேன், அங்கே கூட இதே சொல்ல போகிறான். ஒன் மோர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஆல்ரெடி ரெடி டு கோ. ஆனால் இவங்க போகிறதுக்குள்ள அவங்க வருவான். அப்படி இது ரொட்டீன். இது நம்ம பழகிட்டோம், என்ன பண்ணுறோம்? அது மாதிரி டிசைர், ஞான சக்தி, இச்சா சக்தி, கிரியாசக்தி. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் பேஜ் 90. அத்ராபி அகில சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் ஏக புத்தி விஷயதயா வனவத் ஜலாஷயவத்வாம் சமஷ்டிஹ அநேக புத்தி விஷயதயா விருக்ஷவத் ஜலவத்வாம் வியஷ்டிரபி பவதி. அங்கே படிச்சுன்னு இங்கே கன்க்ளூட் பண்றார். ஜலாஷயாதில் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? வன விருக்ஷா இருக்கு, மூஞ்சி பார்த்தால தெரியறது. சந்தோஷம், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். ஓகே, ஒன் மோர் இன்சிடென்டல் பாயிண்ட் கூட கொஞ்சம் டீப்பராக போகலாம். என்ன சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரமாச்சு, என்ன அங்கே தான் அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஞானம் வருது. அதனால கொஞ்சம் ஒன் மோர் பாயிண்ட் என்னென்னா, ஹியர் ஒன் மந்த்ரா சேஸ் விஜ்ஞானம் யஜ்ஞம் தனுதே கர்மாணி தனுதே பிச்ச. விஜ்ஞானம் யஜ்ஞம் தனுதே. விஜ்ஞானமய கோஷாலோ தான் அந்த நாலேஜ் அபவுட் யஜ்ஞம். கர்மாணி கரோதி. So that buddhi knows that yajna to be done, to be performed. Then other desire comes to perform that yajnam or homam. Then you put an effort, you buy all the things and conduct. Who says in a mantra also says same thing. So aham vritti is the kartru rupaha. The aham vritti enga varadipo vijnanamaya koshanlo varadi. Kartatma, நான் பண்றேன், அந்த நாலேஜ் இருக்குல்லையோ, ஐ நோ தட் ஐ ஆம் டூயிங். தட் இஸ் கர்த்தாத்மா. அகம் விருத்தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட். நான்ங்கிற விருத்தி எங்க வருது? கர்த்தாத்மா. இதம் விருத்தி கரண ரூபா. திஸ் இட் இஸ் கரண ரூபா. அட் த இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் லெவல் idam vritti. The thought of this at the level of instruments it comes. This hand, this leg, all this comes in karana rupam. Aham comes in vijnanamaya kosha. Aham vritti, idam vritti. Nan, I am, and this. Nan vandadukku appuram this. First I am, this is clip. I am, this is clip. This is clock. So once aham vritti comes, then what comes next? Idam vritti. This thought. This or that thought. Idam vritti. Now, in this, he is concluding, atra api, in this also, akhila sukshma shariram eka buddhi vishayataya samashti buddhi. Akhila sukshma shariram anna, all of our subtle bodies put in one place. Samashti, akhila sukshma shariram samashtihi, put in one place. All sukshma sharirams. All means how many species are there? All species have subtle body. All those subtle bodies put together. Samashti. அப்போ ஒரு சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரமே இவர் அமக்கலம் பண்றது. ஆல் சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் புட் டுகெதர், என்ன பவர்! மச் பவர்ஃபுல். So powerful. Samashti eka buddhi vishayataya. So all buddhis you put together. What? Taya vanavatu jalashayavat. Vanam means all trees put together vanam. One buddhi put together like vanam forest madri. Samashti. If you take Vyashti, it is a vriksham. All vrikshams put together, forest, vana. Similarly, each buddhi like a vriksha. All buddhis put together like a forest, vanavat. Jalashayam, reservoir, all waters put together, ocean, jalashayaha, samashti. Separate, pond, well, all these things separate. Jalashayavadva samashtihi. Then aneka buddhi vishayataya. Eka buddhi you can make it separate. Eka buddhi. Idu eka buddhi, varu buddhi, adi varu buddhi, idu varu buddhi, ipdi tani buddhi. Eka buddhi vishayataya vriksha jalavatva. Vrikshan, like vriksham. One buddhi is like a vriksha. All buddhi is like a forest. One buddhi is like a particular water pond. All buddhis put together like a ocean. The Vyashti Samashti division. Ipo Samashti need to understand all Vyashtis we have to destroy. Asal Vyashti irundadane Samashti. Forest, when it will come? When all trees are there. Forest I want to see, therefore I am destroying the tree. And I know. I want forest, I don't want a tree. This intellectually you have to understand. Each tree is in that included in forest. Without a tree, there is no forest. Without individual tree, there is no forest. Is there a thing called forest? Imagine, suppose. Is there a thing called forest? கொஞ்சம் சட்டில் பாயிண்ட் தான். ஃபாரஸ்ட் எங்க இருக்குன்னு ஃபாரஸ்டே காணுமே. Forest is a name. There is no object called forest. Forest is nothing but assemblage of all trees. Similarly, Samashti is nothing but, and the Samashtilo enna irukku? Vyashti. All Vyashti put together, Samashti. There is no Samashti other than Vyashti. Vyashtilo Samashti included. Samashtilo Vyashti included. You cannot separate. Both are only names. Therefore, you need not destroy the Vyashti. Vyashti irundada Samashti irukka mudiyum. Tree irundada forest irukka mudiyum. There is no Samashti other than Vyashti. There is no total without individual. All individuals put together, total. Now, who is great? Individual, total. Who is great? Samashti is great or Vyashti great? Question is wrong. Here is the question of great. Question is wrong. There is no greatness. Therefore, never claim your greatness. Individual is a part of total. The total belongs to Paramatma. You are not there without Paramatma. You are the part of total. Total belongs to that you. Paramatma. Everything belongs to Paramatma. You have no right to claim any glory of yours as yours. I can never claim the glory of mine as mine. Why? Because this glory belongs to the total. Total is nothing but Paramatma. Therefore, my glory is not my glory. My glory belongs to Paramatma. Poch ahankara. Since I am included in the total, and the total any glory is also my glory. Because I am in total. So therefore, wherever there is individual level glory is there, it is my glory. My glory is the total's glory. Total's glory is my glory. What yoga? Vibhuti yoga. Connection paranga. அழகா இருக்கு இல்லையோ இந்த பாயிண்ட். Whatever my glory is there, that belongs to the total. The total glory is my glory. So there is no difference. இதுதான் அகங்காரம் போகணும்னா பொறப்பச்சம் பொறாமை இதெல்லாம் போகணும்னா இது ஞானம் வரணும். இல்லைன்னா எல்லாம் காம்படிஷனு கட் த்ரோட்டு. But not understanding the totality of that Rajoguna Amsham in everything. Where are you? How you can claim any glory as yours? இது தெரியாமலே என்ன பாருங்க. People have lot of pride. வந்துடும் அது. Therefore, pride, before the pride comes, what comes? Fall comes. Pride, before pride comes, fall comes. Pride vanda fall kandippa irukum. Before pride fall comes. Then better not to fall. Is it not? Better not to fall. என்ன pride வரது என்ன சொன்ன உடனே அகங்காரம் வந்துன்னு இருக்க கர்வம் வருதுன்னா நீங்க விட போறேள் கீழே அர்த்தம். விட போறேன்னு அம்மா பயந்துட்டு ப்ரைடு வேண்டா. அதனால என்ன சொல்லணும்? எல்லாம் பகவானுடைய கிருப்பா, எல்லாமே குரு கிருப்பான்னு சொல்லு. இப்படி சொன்னாதான் இந்த அகங்காரம் போனாதான் இவனுக்கு வினயம் வந்தாதான் இந்த அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஞானம் வரும். அதுதான் நிறைய பேருக்கு இந்த அகங்காரமும் போகாது, அந்த ஃபாலு போகாது. ஃபால்ஸ். The ahankaram is false. Upon that false ahankara, they have what? Reality. And they will fall. Fall from where? Their higher nature. Spiritual downfall. அதுக்குதான் சாஸ்திரம் படி. இல்லைன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Thinking yourself as though something else. Therefore, they are all ignorant people. Why wise person is so great? Wise person is great because of his knowledge. Knowledge is not because of aparavidya, because of paravidya. So in front of his knowledge, no one can be compared, unparalleled. Highest knowledge. Okay. Over time. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.